It was back in 2012 when we started to discuss recording lectures. We knew other institutions had started to record their lectures and make them available online for their students to watch. I used the technical knowledge I had gained from building our streaming servers to create a software solution that would allow for simple desktop, microphone and webcam capture. I set out to create a super low-cost solution, a piece of software we could install on every single computer and provide a simple one-button recording mechanism. The software had to fully integrate with our existing timetable in VLE environments. By doing so, this would free up time for the academics, so they wouldn't have to manually embed their videos into the VLE. When the project began, I wrote a very simple spec. I used this spec to create a working prototype, and then this prototype was demoed to potential users. The most important thing when planning a project like this is to make contact with the users and have them involved in all key design decisions. The university has an e-learning network group, about 50 staff. They all have an interest in using the latest technologies in their teaching. I sat down with them and we slowly refined the design so we could create a product which would cater for all of their needs and make the process of capturing lectures as simple as possible. StreamCapture is built using Microsoft.NET technologies. One of the main requirements was that users should be able to record using any input device. Being built using Microsoft.NET technologies and running on Windows systems, StreamCapture can simply connect up to all existing equipment that Windows can see. It's got webcams, microphones, any other visualization devices, and it uses them to capture these lectures. The lectures recorded using StreamCapture are sent directly to our streaming servers and then automatically embedded into the correct courses within Blackboard.
I think one of the main benefits for students is that in the lecture, the idea isn't that you're trying to write down every single word the lecturer is saying. With StreamCapture you can sit back and engage with the content of the lecture much more, knowing that you've got that material on your computer at home, ready to go back to when you need it again. Recording lectures is useful for all of our students, but two groups in particular would be our international students. We've got a lot of international students at Liverpool, and if English isn't their first language, then StreamCapture allows them to go over the content in their own time, often in the comfort of their own home. And the second group would be students with disabilities, in that it takes the pressure off having to write copious amounts of notes in the lecture because that material has already been captured for them.